Good morning and welcome to all BSc first year students in online lecture series of semester 2nd, paper number 3rd, freshwater fish culture technology. In this paper 3rd, we are studying the introduction to types of aquaculture, and in these types of aquaculture different criteria. According to these different criteria, aquaculture, these are to be classified, aquaculture, these are to be differentiated. Fourth criteria, which is to be we have seen during last few parts. In this fourth criteria, culture based on types of design, construction. Prior to this fourth criteria, we have seen first criteria, culture based on quality of water. Second, culture based on commercial consideration. Third, culture based on species or number of fishes. And fourth, culture based on types of design construction, in which we have seen that is pen culture, we have seen cage culture, raceway culture, then culture based on reservoirs. All these different points which is to we have seen, we have studied. Now today we have seen the culture in tanks, culture in berries. All these culture, these are to be seen, these are to be studied in today's culture point. Culture in tanks. The tanks are made up of concrete. Tanks are to be made up of concrete. Tanks are to be made up of fiberglass. Tanks are made up of marine, or it is to be made up of plywood, metal, or other hard substances. Those substances, these are to be used to prepare to fabricate the tank. And in these tank, when fishes, these are to be stored, fishes, these are to be stocked, and it can be cultured. Rearing and management of aquatic animals, these are to be done in these tank. That tank may be fiberglass tank, that tank may be, that is concrete, that tank may be metal, that tank may be glass, or that tank may be marine plywood glass. Means all these tank, these are to be prepared, and in these tank fish seed, these are to be stocked, and these seed, these are to be rearing and management can be done. It is called as the culture in tanks. As regards their shape, size, form, all these are to be fixed, these are to be proper and proper manner, proper way, these are to be done. As regards their shape may be triangular, shape may be rectangular, shape may be square, or shape may be diagonal. Means various types of shape it can be choose according to your investment. Then tank forms may be circular, that tank form may be rectangular, that tank's form may be different design, and in these different design the fish seed, these are to be stocked and cultured. It is culture in tanks. Number 1, fiberglass. When a tank, these are to be constructed by a fiberglass, then that tank is called as fiberglass. These are generally circular in outline, and fiberglass is popular material for tank construction as it is light, strong, and inert to fresh and salt water. That's why this fiberglass tank, these are to be suitable for the culture of fishes in both freshwater as well as marine water fishes. Second, seasonal metal tanks. These are readily available in market. Seasonal material tanks, these are readily available in market and can easily be erected or demolished. These are to be either it can be constructed, it can be demolished. They are generally circular. In outline and very commonly used for nursery pond and grow out for the purchase of seeds. That's why these seasonal metal tanks, these are to be suitable, these are to be essential for the culture purpose, for the culture condition. The supply of water and drainage are organized in such a way that to create a vortex that will sweep most of the detritus and other waste material out the system, and that seasonal metal tanks, these are to be constructed, these are to be created, fabricated. The supply of water and drainage are organized in such a way that as to create vortex that will sweep most of the detritus and other waste material out of the system. Also such tanks are covered with a suitable netting or metal screen in order to protect the stock from the predatory birds, from the predatory insect or predatory fishes. Means those fishes, these are to be stocked in these seasonal metal tanks. All sides, these are to be screen lock, these are to be used. And why this screen these are to be used? To avoid the entry of predatory animals, predatory fishes, predatory insect, or those are the predatory birds. Means to avoid all these predatory animals and fishes, these are to be do not escape from these seasonal metal tanks. That's why screening these are to be done. Screening is to be important. The third important size or the part of the tank is the concrete tanks. Concrete tanks, these may be circular, these concrete tanks may be rectangular in shape, circular in shape. Circular tanks are extensively used in China for Chinese fish breeding. Again, remember that cement concrete tank, these are to be constructed by cement concrete, and this cement concrete tank, these are to be either circular or either these are to be rectangular or square. But in China, these concrete tanks, these are to be constructed exclusively used, and these are the circular type of tank. And this circular type of tank of cement concrete, these are to be used in China for fish breeding, for breeding of fishes in China. This tank, these are to be used on large scale. Water inlets are so arranged on the wall as to cause proper circulation of water. Water inlets are so arranged on the wall as to cause proper circulation of water. Circulation tanks are used for catfish. Culture in USA, and range of 6 meter diameter and 0.8 meter diameter in depth. What is the range of these tank? It is to be 6 meter in diameter, 0.8 meter in depth, and with gradient of approximately 5 centimeter from the circumference to the central drain. And this tank, concrete tank, these are to be constructed, these are to be created, which is the range of 6 meter diameter. It is the 6 meter diameter, 0.8 meter in depth, and gradient of circumference is to be 5 centimeters. Such tank, these are to be constructed, such a tank, these are to be created. In fact, they are self-cleaning. These concrete tanks are the self-cleaning. Rectangular tanks may be 8 meter long. 1 meter wide and 75 centimeter deep. Means those rectangular tanks, these are the different size shape. Size of this rectangular tank is to be 8 meter long, 1 meter wide and 75 meter deep. The bottom may be slopy toward the one end or toward the middle to better cleaning and draining. One side or one end of this tank, this pond, it can be lower and it can be in a slopy. Slope is to be diverted to one side, and other three sides, these are to be on high area. What is such condition? Because when it is to be done cleaning or drainage, when this tank, it can be clean, when water these are to be drainage, at that time easily all water should be drained out when the outlet is to be on lower side, means no one debris, no one water these are to be left inside the tank. That's why the outlet is to be on lower area of lower flop area. These tank forms attempt to bring greater human control. These tanks forms attempt to bring greater human control in operation and facilitate intensive farming. In operation of and facilitate the intensive farming. These tank form attempt to bring greater human control in operation and facilitate intensive farming. Large cement concrete tanks of about 200 to 300 meters square are used. 300 to 200 meters square are used for rearing for salmon, rearing for trout, for shrimp, means large cement concrete tanks. What is the diameter of this tank? It is to be 300 to 200 meter square diameter, and such tank these are to be suitable for the rearing of salmon fish, rearing of trout fish or the shrimp. These tanks these are to be used. It is to be utilized in Japan and Taiwan. In Japan and Taiwan, cement concrete tanks measuring up to 0.2 hectare are used for eel culture. Again, in Japan and Taiwan, abundant eel culture these are to be performed. Maximum eel fishes these are to be cultured in Japan and Taiwan, and in these countries, these cement concrete tanks these are to be measuring up to 0.2 hectare area are used for culture of eel fishes, and it is to be extensively used to culture of these tanks. All these are the culture in tanks. Then next is the culture in berries. Culture in berries, or berries is called as bhasabada. Berries is also called as bhasabada. This type of berries culture or bhasabada culture cultivation is practiced. Such type of berries culture or bhasabada culture is practiced in brackish water impoundments where tidal water is admitted through the slices in suitable embankment or embanked enclosure area. These are called as berries in Bengal or bhasabada type of ponds in Bengal, and these berries or bhasabada these are important. These are to be useful for the culture of fish on large quantity, on large scale. Bhasabada type of fishery is in cystic West Bengal and has been a practice for more than century. An earthen bunds or dike is raised along the tidal estuary, which is usually provided with wooden type of slice through which tidal water carrying youngs of estuarine fish and prawns is allowed to enter in a required maneuver. Means this bhasabada type of fishery, these are to be Celtic West Bengal and has been practiced for more than a century. An earthen bund or dike or berries these are to be along tidal estuary, which is usually practiced provided by the wooden type of slice through which tidal water these are to be carrying, and young ones these are to be cultured in these ponds. These bhasabada, especially fishes and prawns, these are to be allowed to enter in this berries culture. Generally, fish culture practice in berries commences from January to February when the ponds are stocked with fry. Generally, this berries culture is to be commences from January to February when ponds are stocked with fry. Large scale fishing is to be done during September to November month. Large scale fishing these are to be done in September to November, as no tidal water is required in the ponds during the catching periods. As much as water is to be possible is outlet so that The leftover fishes in the berries move into the deeper waters where they are caught by a drag net. These are to be caught by different types of net. Means generally fishes these are to be cultured. Fishes these are to be cultured in berries commences from January to February, and ponds are stocked by fry. Large scale fishing is to be done during September to November months. Means after 9 to 10 months stocking, these fishes these are to be caught, these are to be captured, harvested. No tidal water is to be required in the ponds during the catching period. As much as water possible is get out, so that the fishes these are to be left over, and these are to be caught, these are to be captured. The berries move into deeper water where they caught by a drag net. For fishing, for catching the fishes in berries, drag net is to be used abundantly. Not much capital investment is needed. Not much capital investment is to be needed for the construction of berries, and involve only rising the embankments. Involve only rising the embankments and erection of slices. Fishes, prawns and crabs are cultured in these berries. Which are the cultured in berries? Fishes, prawns and crabs, these are to be cultured in berries. In order to improve the fish yield from the berries, it is necessary to prevent predatory and uneconomic varieties of fishes from gaining entry into the berries. Means those are the commercial, those have market value, those are economic varieties. Only these varieties these are to be choose, these are to be select to culture in berries. And with this method also fish culture is to be done in a different state and increase the fish productions from this source, which ultimately helpful to engaging of fishermen and to increase the fish production. It is to be helpful to increase the living standard of fishermen, as well it is to be useful to increase the fish production, which is to be beneficial for the total production of India. With this, in this article we have seen two ways, two methods. One is the fish culture in cement concrete tanks or the cement concrete ponds are best way. Cement concrete materials or cement concrete ponds, tanks. In these cement concrete tanks or ponds, fishes these are to be cultured. And in this, the second culture of fishes in ponds or tanks, and second is the culture in berries. Berries is also called as bhasabada, and it is to be abundantly used in West Bengal to culture fishes. Especially those are the commercial, those are endangered condition. These fishes these are to be under cultivation, under culture. Hope you understood culture of these bhasabada and tank. In next page we have see the next culture system of aquaculture. Thank you all.